Are you buckled in your seats right now? I'm telling you right there now, man. Stop playing these crackhead ass games. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, but not sorry. Bitcoin touch $118,000 on crypto.com. Crypto is becoming mainstream. You are now witnessing the greatest wealth in history. You all that are watching this damn video right damn now, there's no way in hell. Let me get up. There's no way in hell. Hold on. I think the picture. There's no way in hell that you are sitting down and you're not bullish. You drop in the comment section how bullish you are right damn now. They say they are taking them taxes off of crypto. They are taking taxes off of house purchases. We are here because we were destined for greatness. Greatness is waking up. I told y'all in the last video, it has begun. You might not be able to go to sleep tonight. You may not be able to go to sleep tonight.
5%, 10 on every car that I own. Put the striker in track mode while I listen to Bone. Black on black 45, need another in chrome. If I don't hit you, then my bitch will want you walking my home. First flight to Jamaica, next one to Bahamas. I'm gonna win no matter what. God made me a promise. Just bought so much Dogelon that I just added 2 commas. I tell my son believe in himself and respect his mama.
Believe in yourself, like how I believed in myself, like how you believed in yourself, how you believed in this journey, how you believe into a digital asset that you invested into over the last 4 years and counting. There are those who have invested into digital assets way before then. We have been getting hit at by different angles. It's time for the turn up. It's time for us to reclaim our throne. We're the biggest. And as you see right here, let's just make the screen a lot more bigger. We are hype right damn now. Bitcoin sitting at 115,000 right now. It broke the all-time high about 4 times today. Ethereum broke 3 grand. We sitting back at 2,900. XRP sitting at $2.53. The global crypto market cap is sitting at 3.6 trillion. 3.6 trillion. I'm talking about it is getting hot. It's getting hot right now. Ooh. Ooh, Dogelon Mars. Ooh, 1235. 1235 is where we sitting at for Dogelon Mars, baby. But you know what? On crypto.com, we still sitting at $117,000. $117,000, but on coin market cap, we're sitting at 115. But it's okay though, and it's all Gucci. Poochie, it's all Gucci. And I'm telling you guys like this, man. It be sometimes whereas there's so much information. So like when I'm about to do a video, it's like I see all this information, I get stuck. And just being so hyped, I'm like, all right, CryptoBrown, you got to make this video. But then I'm reading all this information that is being shown throughout the world for those who are in the crypto space. Let me get to it. Crypto is going mainstream. Exciting update from Mr. Brian Armstrong. He says this: Coinbase has partnered with Perplexity AI to help traders get access to real-time trusted crypto data, information for better decision making. The first stage is going live today, and there's more to come. I'm not going to read the whole thing, but just understand this: crypto is mainstream, and we are the early adopters in this damn space. Stop playing with me. Stop playing those games with me. And let's keep going. Raul Paul, he says this: I don't think anyone realizes the insane demand for block space coming from TradeFi. Stablecoins, TAM, is in the many trillions, and volumes a massive multiple of that. And that's just the effing start. You think it's just 100 trillion? You think it's just 100 trillion? And you saying we can't touch 10 cents? Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Oh, and that doesn't include the Web3 demand from Web2 conversion that will follow over time. 6 to 8 years to 100 trillion as an asset class for crypto. Can I get an amen? Can I get an amen? I don't think you guys hearing me. Drop down in the comments section. Put those emojis down there. Put them rocket ships down there. Put the Mars rocket ships down there. Put all that down there. Type in Dogelon Mars. Got me talking like the daddy off of Friday. What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? Let's get back to it. Fox Business says Bitcoin price is coiled like a spring with upside to $170,000, and you say we.
So I want to take another look at it as well. So I want to take another look at another name that you like here, and that's Bitcoin. Now, if I read the notes properly, did you say 140,000 for Bitcoin? It's possible from here?
It's very possible with
Really?
upside from there. And I don't want to oversell it. And look, I'll leave the story to the pump, but I focus on the charts. And this chart is coiled like a spring here. Now, keep in mind, as many of these momentum stocks have surged off the bottom, Bitcoin's been doing yeoman's work of consolidating within this well-defined trading channel. But it is coiled, as I said, to break out and play catch-up to names like Coinbase, names like Robinhood that are already back at the high. So a breakout above 110, which is last resistance, projects measured upside to 140 with upside from there to 170 as well. So
damn, Jack. Hey, look, Buddy's talking like he's in a damn sports analyst, how he's making these plays. Man, stand up. He's talking like he's a sports analyst. You just talking about crypto. He's just talking about crypto. Hey, hold on. Hold on. Y'all still watching, right? We just talking about crypto. Can I please run this?
Yeah. This shit might go over nigga head if you ain't paying attention. A lot of niggas don't even know what DeFi is.
If you wanna talk to me, pay me in crypto, DeFi shit. Fuck all the banks if your ass need a loan. Come and see me. Fuck the government, I'm decentralized, bitch. Won't tax me, I ain't paying that shit. Fuck what you talking about, bitch, I'm legit. Want universal basic income, not me. Who you think you playing with, bitch, not me. Fuck centralized, that's government money. Fuck your eyes, they ain't spying on me. I'm my own boss, most high got me. I'm my own boss, most high got me. I'ma shoot the 3 like CP3. Great transformation, what do you feel me? Global reset, put the switch on me. XRP, gon' set a nigga free. Trust wallet game, on need no safe. Rolls Royce ride when I pick up babe. 13 M's, I'ma drop it on the house. Another 5 M's on the Lamborghini boat. 15 M's, ain't shit to me. Cryptocurrency set a nigga free. If you feel like I feel, dog, that's real. Blockchain shit just switched up the game. Fuck $100 bill, dog, that's lame. I don't want fiat, nigga, that's pain. In a couple days, that bitch gon' crash. All the markets too, that shall last. The wrong pause.
Spin, 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 and spin again. 15 M's ain't shit. 15 M's ain't nothing. 15 M's ain't nothing. That $100 bill, that Benjamin Franklin, that ain't nothing. He looking stupid. He's looking stupid. We ain't even dealing with you, Ben Frank. Ben Frank, we dealing with crypto. Oh, hold on. Hold on right quick. There's more major news. And the thing about it is what me and Meme Lord got to say to you guys on Wednesday, y'all better lock in. Lock in on Wednesday. Big Wednesday. Big Wednesday. Oh, Big Wednesday. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's keep them going. Next week, the House will deliver on POTUS, call to make the United States of America, the great United States of America, the crypto capital of the world. Of the world. Do you hear me, Jack? Hey, Craig, you hear me? Craig, we're going for the world. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, my God. And as you see here, Sharp Link Gaming, they say ETH looks good here. DeFi yield on public markets. On NASDAQ. And we are here to witness this. We are here to witness this, and everybody was fumbling with their damn fingers. And before I keep going, right? Before I keep going, I want you guys to understand this, that there has been a lot of people, retail investors, who came into this space or not even into this space yet. They fumbled. They lost money here. They lost money there. They could have said, you know what? This is not just for me. You see, this whole world is so evil, whereas it will make you pressured into paying a financial advisor for advice. And I am an average black man. An average black man. Average. You know what I'm saying? You know, I work, I live paycheck to paycheck. It may not look like it, but I take risk. I'm willing to take the hit of whatever that has been thrown at me, because I was built for it. And I'm built for this. And if you all are still here on this journey, you all were meant to be built for this. And shout out to everybody who didn't give up. Shout out to everybody who closed their ears to the BS that has been thrown for years. Shout out to everybody. Hey, this hype ain't going down. This hype ain't going down. Check this out. Bitwise says this. If Larry Fink, the CEO of BlackRock, a $1 trillion institution, BlackRock, he is right. The tokenization market could grow 4,000x, not 4x like Lil Baby, not 40x like E40, but we talking about 4,000x. There aren't many markets that can say that. Did you hear me, Craig? 4,000x. Yes, sir. 4,000x. Shout out to Agaton. He says this: Bitcoin just shattered its all-time high. Ethereum is the next in line. And after that, it's Elon's turn. Everything is unfolding exactly as planned. Elon is the sleeper, the last domino, and when it moves, it erupts. The charts don't lie. The timing is perfect. The mission is locked in. Prepare for ignition. Again, this is my documentary over the past years. And yes, we have been holding a underground. I'm talking about we're down in the center of the earth, this token that has been overlooked at over the years. And I personally believe that this token will bring me generational wealth for my kids. This is why we are here, and this is why we are so bullish. We can't play them crackhead ass games. Craig, you heard me? No more crackhead ass games, because it's serious and it's real. As you see here, Ethereum co-founder Joe Lubin plans to buy tens of millions of dollars of Ethereum every day through SharpLink Gaming. You are not bullish enough. Come on. You are not bullish enough. Let's play this clip right quick.
So that's going to put a bid under these tokens, and the anticipation of us and Saylor accumulating more and more consistently, both in large chunks as well as just selling ATM. We're able to acquire tens of millions of dollars in Ether a day via these ATM sales, and so we're just going to stay the course and continue to grow the concentration of Ether per fully diluted share. So that's going to put a bid under these tokens.
You heard them, tens of millions of dollars of Ethereum. This is why Ethereum has been suppressed over the years. And a lot of people, they unloaded their Ethereum. They said, hey, why am I holding this crappy token? This coin ain't going to do nothing. But we're a commodity and derivative token. I'm going to say it like this. Look at me. A $10 Elon is possible. Very possible. Now you guys are saying, CryptoBrown, you're talking that rah. You just talking that ish. You just talking that ish because you got everybody in the damn building right now because we're listening. It's game over. It's game over. You have plenty of time to accumulate billions of tokens. And I'm not here to tell you to hold your bags. I'm not here to tell you what you should do and what you should not do. But like what I heard and like what they say, Brown, you's a crazy if you know what I mean. You got some big, you know what I'm saying. It is what it is. It is what it is. I don't like what I've done went through the damn rain. I done slept in the rain. Forget about the rain. I've been in category 5 hurricanes. I live by the water. I done dealt with the damn storms. And you know what I can say? Bring it. Bring it, because I'm going to embrace the pain. I'm going to embrace the storm. I'm going to embrace the winds. I am going to embrace every all-time high that we get. I hope you understand what I'm saying. Fed board member Christopher Waller says the Federal Reserve can't consider cutting interest rates this month. Hell, you guys said it was in September. You said September. God did this month. And what? We in July 10th. Damn, we barely get started. Friday is the beginning. Friday is the early pre-ball game. Justin Senator Cynthia Loomis, that's that baby, unveils crypto tax reform bill. And it says, key highlights, $300 the minimal exemption per transaction up to $5K a year. No double tax on mining or staking, tax due at sale. Wash sale rules now apply to crypto. Market option for traders and dealers. And you see our big dog, he say 113 Bitcoin. Nice. Elon. BlackRock is now buying more ETH than Bitcoin. They say alt season is here. No. Alt season is not here. Alt season is not here because we are in that damn super cycle. We're in that super cycle. Don't forget, in November, Bitcoin and Elon was the two top gainers. Bitcoin and Elon was the two top gainers. Congresswoman Marjorie Taylor Greene introduces bill to eliminate federal capital gains taxes on home sales. Are you not bullish? Okay, let me break this down to you right quick. The cartel bosses, the underground bosses who got billions of dollars stashed away, these dog food hustlers, these dope boy hustlers, whatever hustlers that try to keep their money away whereas the feds ain't watching. Hope the feds ain't watching. I hope the feds ain't watching. Hey, Jack, tell Craig the feds can't be watching no more because they can't. They can't. So now, all of those people are going to throw their money into crypto. They're going to throw it into crypto. They're going to push that price up a lot more higher. But shit, we are already early. We've been early. So all that's going to do is make our prices go up a lot more higher. You see, everybody is thinking about just the financial institutions, the governments, the politicians, and all this. But you got dope boys who's richer than the president. Sorry, but it's not sorry, but it's the truth. We know that. There's a lot of people around the world that has a lot of money. They ain't got to have it overseas. They ain't got to have the money in overseas banking. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Throw that money in crypto. And then you see Ash Bandicoot. What it do? What it do, Ash? She says this, genuinely, what are you eating and planning to eat for dinner tonight? Because what I am tasting and what I am craving, I'm craving some Mickey D's. Why is that? Could Mickey D's be a partner tonight? Could it happen tonight? It probably already did, and I'm doing this video. Be on the lookout for McDonald's, baby. That's what you see, man. Mars bars. Shout out to crypto dominance. Oh, Ash Bandicoot, you said too much meat for me to handle. We ain't even gonna say it like that. We're gonna leave it like that, Ash Bandicoot. Shout out to you, man. Crypto Dominance says, dreaming about eating a McMartian on Mars. And as you see, we on Mars, baby. Shout out to BB. He says, honestly, right now, I'm imagining something easy and comforting. Maybe some roasted veggies with quinoa and zesty tahini sauce, light but nourishing, with a bit of a kick. Let's get it. As you see what you see with Ondo Finance. You guys are not understanding what Ondo. We've been screaming Ondo, Ondo, Ondo. The largest financial market in the world is coming on chain. The biggest. We were prepared for it. Shout out to Teresa Starr. She says ETH just hit over 3 bands. 3,000. 3,000. Big Dog Edwin says fasten your seatbelts. Because I'm buckled. You see Wendy O. Wendy O says this. She say 120 band Bitcoin is coming. 250,000 is programmed. I say this, baby girl. 500,000 is programmed. 500,000 is programmed. Send it higher. But this is what I want to show you. Hold on, there's so much info. Hold on. The average person has no idea what is about to happen over the next 3-6 months. The few that do have been preparing for years. Has been preparing for years. Hold on, man. Hold up. Too much shit moving on too fast. Oh, hold on, she said. Hold it. Let's just check the prices right quick. Bitcoin creeping back up, 116,000. Ethereum sitting at 29.74. But at the end of the day, I know once I drop this video, we're going to go up a lot more higher. Maybe if you're watching this video right now, it's going to go up a lot more higher. But we're not done yet, because this crucial information that I want to relay onto you guys is what I've been saying over the years. People looked at me crazy. They looked at me crazy. They said Bitcoin would touch $1 million by 2030. That's 5 years from now. They said Dogelon Mars will touch a penny by 2030. That's 5 years from now, right? That's 5 years from now. 2030, $1 million Bitcoin. In 2030, they say. We could reach a penny Dogelon Mars in 2030. That's what they say. Let me drop this. Gary Cardone. Stop what you are doing and read this. Then reread it. Please do not call me lucky in 4 years. No. Why? Don't say that to me either. Again, this is my documentary and everybody else's documentary. Let's move on. Let's read this. What do you say? Journal of Risk and Financial Management. Article. A supply and demand framework for Bitcoin price forecasting. Figure 11 shows forecast prices when the demand multiplier is held constant, D equal 30. And daily withdrawal rates from liquid supply vary. At the highest level of withdrawal, there is a clear trend from the logistic style, adoption-driven curve to one that starts to increase on a hyperbolic trajectory. See section 6.4.1. This parameter, you know what I'm trying to say? I'm not even going to tongue twist that. I was fluent everything else, but let me keep going. Suggests that Bitcoin will reach $1 million prices by early 2027 for all levels of withdrawal greater than 1,000 Bitcoin per day, and then diverge in 2028 as supply constraints come into play. With the higher levels of withdrawal, the price could reach USD $2 million by late 2027. And then $5 million by early 2031. Stop playing them crackhead ass games. Did you hear what I say? Did you hear what I say? Hold on. I don't think you understand what's going on. Callie, talk to him.
You know what's so crazy, man? It's like, it breaks my heart. Nah, it really breaks my heart that there's people out there that don't believe in us. Speedy, they don't believe in us. This breaks my heart. Nah, it's fucking crazy. If you really think about it, like it's actually humans that don't believe in us. Shame on them.
How could they?
Shame on these. God did.
You guys are watching me, aren't you? I hope you guys are watching me. They say CryptoBrown, calm down. You're going to get a high blood pressure. Man, forget that damn blood pressure. Forget that blood pressure. I've been talking to y'all for years. For years. By late 2027, $5 million. Early 2031. But already in 2027, we're seeing $2 million. $2 million. So people says this. They say, CryptoBrown, what about the charts? The charts are dead. It's dead. You can't go by from the old forecast of what you've seen. Look at these points right here. Ash Hannah says, great points, Gary. Great read. However, would this then suggest that the 4-year Bitcoin cycle would no longer be in play? Gary Cardone responds, 4-year cycle as we knew it has been altered forever. Michael Sellers says, the halls of eternity echo with the cries of those who sold their Bitcoin and who has sold their souls. There's a lot of people who sold their souls for those riches and gold. All they had to do is buy them some crypto. That's all they had to do. But they wanted to give it up. Because selling their soul was a lot more easier than just staying down until you come up. And you see my dog out there, Bullish, she howling. My dog says we going to the moon, but shit, you already know we touching Mars, baby. And with that being said, go ahead and talk that, Athena. Talk that, Athena. Yeah, it's up. is up. Damn penal. Hey, it's very, I can't even get my words out right. It's been an honor of knowing every single one of you. But right now, Dan Pena is going to have to get into a lot of people's asses right now. He's going to.
Right now, on November 8th, I announced that when Mr. Trump, whether you love him or hate him, this was the beginning of the greatest transformation of wealth the world has ever fucking seen since World War II. See, I know what he was going to do. I know what he's going to do now. And he hasn't even got started. Now, what are you going to tell your kids and your grandkids 25 years from now when they say, gee, Daddy, gee, Grandpa, what were you doing other than having your thumb up your big fucking ass during the greatest transformation of wealth in the history of the world? What were you fucking doing? Fuck all, nothing. That's what most of you will tell them, your grandchildren and your children. It's never going to get any better than this, kids. This is the, as I said on YouTube, the eye of the perfect motherfucking storm. This is it. I never thought I'd live to see it again. This is going to make the 80s look like a nursery rhyme, which I praise Allah, praise Buddha, praise God. I participated in slashing and raping everybody in the 80s, legally. This is going to make that look like a fucking nursery rhyme. And what are you going to tell your kids? Oh, I had to spreadsheet it. I had to think about it. I had to read another book on M&A, you fucking morons. Did I answer your question?
Yeah, pretty much.
Okay.